The national anthem echoing on the street outside the president's home. Thousands of people came out to protest against the handling of the economy, the pandemic, and attempts to reform the judiciary. Mario Malatino says he's tired of seeing Argentina fail over and over again.
I'm sad. We have a beautiful country with 4 climates. We can feed millions of people, but we can't do it. What is wrong with us? My parents came as immigrants from Italy, and they helped build this country. Argentina has been destroyed in the last 50 years. Every day we pay more taxes and more people live in poverty. Corruption, mismanagement, and the political class are to blame.
The government says these protesters are trying to generate instability at an extremely difficult time in the country, when there's a pandemic, unemployment and poverty levels are on the rise. But these people say they're here to denounce what they say is a parallel agenda to protect Vice President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner.
In the past few months, and in spite of the pandemic, the government has tried to pass judicial reform and remove 3 judges involved in the trials of the vice president. Government supporters showed up at the president's residence to accuse the protesters of disrespecting Argentina's democracy.
They come here to sing the national anthem. They don't care about the country. They want to remove the president from office. We won the elections. People want Peronism because we help people eat. These people don't care about the poor.
In March, Argentina was one of the first countries in the region to impose a lockdown to prevent the spread of COVID-19. President Alberto Fernández enjoyed a 70% approval rating. But 7 months on, with infections on the rise and the economy in the red, the situation has changed. The reserves of the central bank are slowly vanishing, and the peso currency continues to lose value. Analysts say the main problem is lack of confidence in the government.
There is no trust and there is no physical plan. And that's a negative cocktail that explains why stocks are down. The economy is showing no signs of recovery. There is a lot of mistrust.
Argentina is deeply polarized between supporters of the ruling Peronist party and those who oppose it. A division that has caused so much damage in the past. Only political dialogue will allow the country to move forward. But for now, there are few signs of that happening. Teresa, Al Jazeera, Buenos Aires.